That's an interesting question. And given your focus on liberal politics and the current administration, the recent news linking political events to cryptocurrency movements seems to be exactly what you're hearing about. While your Bitcoin holding at Coinbit may look stable, the significant event over the last few days has caused a sharp downturn for Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and several smaller tokens, altcoins, leading to claims of manipulation and insider trading. Here is a summary of the major event and how it affected different cryptocurrencies. The key event and its impact approx. 2 to 4 days ago. The trigger. President Donald Trump announced a 100% additional tariff on Chinese imports, bringing the total to 130%, escalating trade tensions and rattling global financial markets, including crypto. The immediate effect. The announcement caused a massive market-wide sell-off and liquidation event. Bitcoin, BTC. Despite your balance looking fine, Bitcoin initially fell significantly, dropping over 8% and reportedly more than 12% at its lowest point, shortly after the announcement. Ethereum, ETH. This cryptocurrency was hit harder, tumbling by around 6% to 17% in the immediate aftermath. Smaller tokens, altcoins. Many altcoins, which are typically more volatile than Bitcoin, saw even steeper declines. XRP and Dogecoin were reported to have plunged by more than 30%. The manipulation/insider trading claims. The manipulation claims you're hearing are tied to suspicions of insider trading surrounding the political announcement. The suspicion. Reports have highlighted an anonymous investor who allegedly made up to $200 million in just 30 minutes by placing a short position, betting the price would fall, on Bitcoin and Ether only half an hour before President Trump made his public tariff announcement. The connection. This highly suspicious timing has led many crypto traders and investors to cry foul, claiming that someone with prior knowledge of the political decision used that information to profit massively from the resulting market crash. So while the event was political, the tariff announcement, the rapid and severe market crash, particularly for ETH and altcoins, and the suspicious activity right before the news broke, are the basis for the claims that the administration's actions are manipulating the crypto market through political volatility or alleged inside information. This market-wide volatility likely explains why you're hearing reports of a severe manipulation, even if your specific Coinbit balance appeared stable later on. The immediate, high-volume drops in Ethereum and numerous altcoins were the most dramatic effects. Summary of our conversation. Topic. Explanation of recent cryptocurrency manipulation claims tied to a U.S. administration event. Key event. President Trump's announcement of 100% tariffs on China, approx 2 to 4 days ago, impacted cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, dropped over 8 to 12%. Ethereum, ETH, fell up to 17%. And smaller altcoins, like XRP and Dogecoin, saw plunges over 30%. Manipulation claim. Centers on an alleged $200 million insider trade made by an anonymous investor just before the announcement was public.